Dear students, today we are going to see a poem, The Computer Swallowed Grandma. The Computer Swallowed Grandma by the anonymous author. Anonymous mean unnamed. Anonymous mean unnamed, not identified by name. Okay, let's see the poem. The computer swallowed grandma. The computer swallowed grandma. Yes, honestly, it's true. She pressed Control and Enter and disappeared from view. It devoured her completely. The thought just makes me squirm. She must have caught a virus or been eaten by a worm. I have searched through the recycle bin and files of every kind. I have been used the internet, but nothing did I find. In desperation, I asked Jeeves my searches to refine. The reply from him was negative. Not a thing was found online. So, if inside your box, my grandma, you should see, please copy, scan and paste her in an email back to me. Okay, now see the meaning of the poem. What is the meaning of the poem? The computer swallowed grandma. Here the word given, swallowed. I think you are following me. Swallowed, swallowed, swallowed. Swallowed means to make food, drink, etc. go down your throat into your stomach. To make food, drink, etc. go down your throat into your stomach. So the computer swallowed grandma. Yes, honestly, it's true. She pressed Control and Enter. Control and Enter are the keys in the computer keyboard. Control and Enter are the keys in the keyboard. And disappeared from view. Disappeared, you know already the meaning. Disappeared means vanished. She is not in there. It devoured her completely. Devoured means ate. It ate her completely. Here it means computer. It ate her completely, or it ate or destroyed her completely. The thought just makes me squirm. Squirm means turn here. She must have caught a virus. Or been eaten by a worm. Worm, invertebrate animal. Small animal, crawling animal. I have searched through the recycle bin. And files of every kind. Here I have searched through the recycle bin. Here I reference the author, anonymous author. He searched everywhere in the computer. The recycle bin means it is in computer. If you don't want anything, files, data, videos, anything, that you want to delete that one and you want to put in that recycle bin. Whenever you need it, you can take from that recycle bin. So he searched. If supposed he put wrongly in that recycle bin, so he searched from there. And files of every kind, he goes and searched nook and corner of the computer. I have been used the internet. He used the internet also, but nothing did he find. Did I find means did he find. The author not able to find. Okay, the next stanza. In desperation, I asked Jeeves. Desperation means hopeless. he lost his hope. I asked Jeeves. He asked Jeeves, searching person. My search is to refine. My search is to refine. The reply from him was negative. The reply from him was negative. Not a thing was found online. Not a thing was found online. Who replied this? Jeeves. Jeeves replied to the author. The author personally requesting to the person Jeeves to find and give my grandma. So if inside your inbox my grandma you should see, please copy, scan and paste her in an email back to me. Who is saying this? The author, the anonymous author. So if inside your inbox he is asking us, if you see our granny in your inbox, my grandma you should see. If you see, please copy, scan and paste her in an email back to me. Okay. Are you clear now? So these are the conditions used: copy, scan, paste and control and enter. Control and enter are the conditions you are presenting in the computer sites. Okay, let's see what is the next. Glossary also given below in next page. And also read the poem and aloud in pairs. Read these lines and answer the questions given below. Okay, you have to read by yourself aloud in home and try to by heart this poem. Okay, let's see the appreciation. Poem appreciations also given there. The computer swallowed grandma. The computer swallowed grandma. Who swallowed whom? The question is given there. Who swallowed whom? You know very well. The computer swallowed grandma. Right. Next. She pressed Control and Enter. She pressed Control and Enter and disappeared from view. The second question. How did grandma disappear from view? The grandma pressed. She means pronoun of the grandma. So here the author presented. She pressed Control and Enter and disappeared from view. That's the answer given there. Okay, you have to read, then take and write the answer. Third one. It devoured her completely. Who does it refer to? I already mentioned there, isn't it? It means computer devoured her completely. Computer ate her completely. That is the answer. Okay. She must have caught a virus. Fourth question. She must have caught a virus or been eaten by a worm. What happened to grandma? Because the grandma was already ate by a computer, or it must have caught a virus. Okay. Or eaten by a worm. That is the answer there. And fifth one is, I have searched through the recycle bin and files of every kind. I have been used the internet, but nothing did I find. Okay. The question is, where did the author search for grandma? He searched everywhere in the recycle bin and files. Do you understand? Can you able to follow me? Right. The last one. Work in pairs. Read the last two stanzas of the poem and answer the following questions. These are the same questions answer from this poem. Who did the author ask for grandma? Who did the author ask for grandma? The answer is also in the poem side. You can easily see that. I'll show you. Who did the author ask for grandma? The Jeeves. He asked the help to the Jeeves. Okay. Did the author get a positive reply? Did the author get a positive reply? No. because the question is starting from the auxiliary verb did. So the answer is no. No, the author did not get the positive reply. What is the author plea? What is the author plea? Plea means here pleased. He pleased. What he pleased? If you pleased, if you please see my grandma, you could see, if you see, please copy, scan and paste her in an email back to me. This is the last answer. Okay. The last one is pick out the rhyming pairs and write them in the blanks. Rhyming. Rhyming, you know very well. The end of the word from the each line written in a rhyming. Stanza 2. Stanza 2, you can see that. Okay. It devoured her completely. This is a starting line of the second stanza. Here they are asking, can you able to find the rhyming pairs? Swam, worm, squam, worm. Okay. And the third stanza, kind, find. Okay. These are the rhyming words. This is the pair. Jeeves, negative, refine, online. Okay ma? You can all follow this and ready to read the poem regularly in your home and try to by heart. If you feel anything hard or new words in this poem, you should take and write the hard word, then practice that, and oral practice is very important. Now you are all sitting in the listening class, so you should listen the class very well. Then you could practice your writing and reading skill. Okay, I hope you all do and enjoy my class. Thank you very much.